Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Delisting from top 1 exchange. What's going on? Shiba Inu? The second largest meme coin in the world, Shiba Inu, has made further strides in the payment ecosystem thanks to some of the most high-profile partnerships this year, according to the industry. One of the most recent developments involves BitPay's strategic alliance with Shiba Inu, which will allow anyone to buy Shiba Inus using digital currency on an off-ramp payment service Rider-Ramp network. We will discuss the top 1 exchange delisting Shiba Inu in this video. What is going on? News. Shib. To see our most recent Shiba Inu videos, pricing forecasts, and expert analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Shib is now a cryptocurrency with a variety of related utility tied to it, transcending its status as a hype token or meme coin. The ability of BitPay to make it easier to purchase Shiba Inu will place the payment company at the forefront of the Shiba Inu army, which is constantly looking for fresh and creative ways to use its Shiba Inu holdings. Users in the traditional financial sector have a significant direct entrance point and point of exposure to the Web3 ecosystem thanks to BitPay. It claimed that one of its most recent efforts to increase user access to cryptocurrency was the creation of the Ramp network. The business claimed that through earlier connections with Simplex, MoonPay, and Wire, it had previously offered access to cryptocurrencies. Being drawn to businesses who have some sort of affiliation with the memecoin suggests that BitPay has a special interest in the currency. Another well-known collaboration between BitPay and Shiba Inu is with Swiss watchmaker Hublot, which recently revealed that it accepts payments made with Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu has forged a distinctive root as a payment token, despite the fact that its fundamentals are built on enjoyment. With such a wide range of industries, along with the direct drive by payment companies like BitPay and Ramp Network to accept Shiba Inu as payment, the memecoin has also been establishing direct alliances with well-known companies in an effort to carve out a position for itself in the business world. Shib has now been highlighted as a cryptocurrency token of choice for buying tickets to Vietnam, as previously reported by Crypto News Flash. According to the report, Travala, which teamed with the cryptocurrency to provide it as a payment option to customers who wished to visit Phu Quoc in Vietnam, made the permission feasible. In addition to these audacious embraces, the advent of the Shibarium Layer 2 protocol is also expected to alter the perception of the cryptocurrency's usefulness. Since the launch of the PuppyNet testnet, the Shiba Inu-backed Ethereum scaling infrastructure has experienced amazing support. Shiba Inu's utility may be entirely focused on Shibarium rather than money, with millions of additional addresses and developers eager to expand on the protocol. With Binance, one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, moving Shiba Inu out of its innovation zone, the token recently reached a critical milestone. This action shows greater confidence in the asset and underlines Shiba Inu's expanding adoption and appeal among the cryptocurrency community. The goal of Binance's Innovation Zone. On Binance, there is a specific trading location called the Innovation Zone. It was developed to allow users access to cutting-edge cryptocurrencies that can carry a higher risk due to their volatility or the lack of readily available market data. Shiba Inu has been moved out of this zone by Binance, indicating that the asset is now seen as more reliable and stable. Growing popularity of the Shiba Inu. With a growing fan base and growing investor interest, Shiba Inu has been gaining traction in the cryptocurrency market. The token's recent accomplishment in convincing finance to remove it from the innovation zone highlights its growing notoriety and potential for future development. The Shiba Inu community's confidence is anticipated to increase as a result of this development, and more investors may become interested in the project. The token's adoption and price may continue to rise as it becomes more recognized and well-known. Shiba Inu has reached a major milestone by leaving the finance innovation zone, demonstrating how widely used and well-liked it is among Bitcoin users. This action indicates more confidence in the asset, which is likely to build community confidence and draw in new investors. Shiba Inu may continue to expand in terms of adoption and worth as it continues to gain notoriety and credibility. Shiba Inu will be added to Bitflyer's trading platform, a well-known private cryptocurrency exchange with headquarters in Japan. Bitflyer intends to hold a unique lottery-style giveaway and give away SHIB tokens to a chosen number of its users to commemorate this momentous milestone. It was revealed by the exchange in a tweet from its main Twitter account. According to a rough translation of the tweet from Japan, 20 lucky winners will receive Shiba Inu tokens worth 10,000 Japanese yen apiece from Bitflyer. The total value of the giveaway gifts now stands at over $1,500. The listing of the SHIB cryptocurrency on significant Japanese exchanges has long been anticipated by the Shiba Inu community. Even started a petition to include SHIB in these interactions, Chegi, the Shiba Inu supporter. The ad has reportedly been running for more than 200 days. Shiba Inu burn rate rose substantially in March compared to February. The Coil project and PuppyNet, a less well-known venture built on Shibarium, make this possible. Shiba Inu token owners are thrilled as a result of the startup of PuppyNet, which has caused a startling 1,300% increase in the SHIB burn rate. This development is expected to decrease the number of SHIB tokens in circulation, which could push the price of the token upward. As an important part of the project's roadmap, PuppyNet, a new participant in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, seeks to increase the usefulness and functionality of the SHIB token. By bringing new use cases and applications, PuppyNet's launch is anticipated to promote the expansion of the Shiba Inu ecosystem and raise demand for the SHIB token. The SHIB burn rate increased by an astounding 1,300% after the introduction of PuppyNet, which had a significant influence. The circulating supply of SHIB tokens is effectively decreased by the higher burn rate, a scenario that is frequently considered to be supportive to rising token prices. As a result, there has been a lot of talk about the PuppyNet debut among Shiba Inu investors and fans. There are various repercussions for the Shiba Inu community and token holders from the PuppyNet-caused increase in the SHIB burn rate. With a smaller amount of SHIB tokens in circulation, there may be a rise in demand, which could raise the price of the token. The SHIB coin now has additional use cases and applications thanks to the PuppyNet debut, which may increase its usefulness and demand. Long-term, the enthusiasm brought on by the debut of PuppyNet and the consequent rise in the SHIB burn rate may draw additional users to the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Promoting community development and involvement, the introduction of PuppyNet has a profound effect on the Shiba Inu environment, causing a startling 1,300% increase in the SHIB burn rate. The Shiba Inu community is happy about this move because it decreases the amount of SHIB tokens in circulation and may lead to price growth. The PuppyNet launch is a prospective stimulus for increased utility consumption and community involvement as the Shiba Inu ecosystem expands and changes. As part of its Rocket Coin Give program, Bitcoin ATM provider Rocket Coin is collaborating with the Shiba Inu Rescue Association, or SIRA, to promote awareness for rescue dogs and collect donations in honor of National Deutsche Coin Day. According to Michael D'Alessandro, CEO of Rocket Coin, Deutsche Coin Day is the ideal opportunity for a cryptocurrency company like Rocket Coin to demonstrate its kindness to animals in need. Additionally, consumers now have the chance to join Rocket Coin in charitable giving as part of their regular Bitcoin transactions and receive rewards for it. Customers can utilize the Sierra 420 promo code at Rocket Coin ATM kiosks thanks to a relationship between the two companies. Customers who spend $200 to $399 in Bitcoin will receive $5 extra in Bitcoin, and Rocket Coin will contribute $5 to Sierra. Customers who spend $500 or more on Bitcoin will earn an additional $20 in Bitcoin, and Rocket Coin will contribute $20 to Sierra. In addition to an exclusive t-shirt from Rocket Coin, buyers of $10,000 or more in Bitcoin will also receive an additional $20 in Bitcoin and a $20 donation to Sierra. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To view our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.